friends, today we are going to show you about hydroponics. Hydroponics means growing plants without soil using only water and nutrients is known as hydroponics. You can buy hydroponic kits by market or online, but they're very expensive.
You can use the materials available at home, such as we have used this basket to grow methi, and you can grow several other microgreens like this. And for bigger plants, you can use PVC pipes, and first you should adjust the length according to the space available in your balcony or terrace, and then you must tie them with ropes. Tie them with ropes or wires like this, and fix end caps and fix end caps and check for water leakage. Cut holes like this, and either you can and fill them with water. You for plants to grow better, you can use liquid nutrients like this: NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and they are very important for the plant. So for supporting the plant, you can buy baskets with these type of special pebbles available in the market, and that's the common way to use it. And or we have figured out an even better way of using these type of synthetic sponges. They don't have any holes, so mosquitoes can't go inside and breed in them, and they support the plant very well. First you should take a sponge and cut it in a circular type of shape according to the hole, and then make slits in them and place the plant inside the slit and put it in here, and make sure the roots are touching the water. But before that, you should sprout the plants in a coco peat mixture like this and transfer them into these sponges. And another important thing is, for aeration for the plants, you can buy an air pump like this, and you can buy it, and so put the pipe in here so that the pipe touches the water and the bubbles. And the main advantages of hydroponics is they require much less space than normal plants. They require less space. They grow 10 times faster than plants growing in soil. They have better yield, and they are organic. It's not necessary to buy any chemical fertilizer or pesticides. The plants you can grow in these, the main plants you can grow in these are palak, coriander, methi, mint, and even tomato, chili, radish, onion, garlic, etc.
You can grow your own greens without pesticides. Look how fresh they are. Thank you for watching, and please give a thumbs up and share with your friends if you like.
Thank you.